Current Star Atlas DAO cost generally is $0.32. Star Atlas DAO cost examination, especially is negative today in an in every practical sense huge way. Polys fall 442% in 7 days, so current Star Atlas DAO value sort of is $0.32. Star Atlas DAO cost examination generally is negative today in a fundamentally significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas DAO generally is drifting at $305,944, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. 24 February 2024. In this video, we will sort of walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters. 1 week from now and by and large attempt to answer these regularly sought clarification on pressing issues facts, what especially is somewhat transient cost. Expectation for Star Atlas DAO basically is Polys and especially wise speculation, which especially is genuinely huge. Star Atlas DAO support and obstruction levels and so on, or so they basically thought. In any case, prior to jumping truly profound into the Polys specialized examination, basically let us most certainly discuss the by and large current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there most certainly was a destruction of 184%. Bringing the exceptionally whole cryptographic money market to $1,977, 896, 265, 575 in a really significant manner. The essentially complete exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $50, 334, 576 to 911 in a genuinely enormous way. Bitcoin shares 18% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 33%. Extremely further appearance how yet prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the Polys specialized investigation, really let us especially discuss the kind of current economic situations, which generally is genuinely critical, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,543.17 level after a vertical development of 0.77% in a significant manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours in an especially large manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time period, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $382.54, following a value change of 192% inside a similar time period. In an unpretentious manner, solely in every way that really matters, local coin of Solana basically is up by 2.3, and at present exchanging at $103.77 in an unpretentious manner. Furthermore, XRP came to $0.55 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 191% in esteem in an especially huge way. These occasions in every practical sense show that the market especially is going in a descending bearing for genuinely present moment, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Right now, a very broad, certainly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they basically thought. Star Atlas DAO execution, the especially current Star Atlas DAO cost in a real sense is $0.32 with an exchanging volume. Have fun of 305, 944 and in the sort of beyond 24 hours, which basically shows that market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there truly was a ruin of 184%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,977, 896 to 265, 575, which basically is very huge. At present, Polys in every practical sense is somewhere near 17% since yesterday with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 US, showing that various elective digital currencies as Ethereum sort of has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours, which really is genuinely critical. Star Atlas basically is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse rising up out of the juncture of best-in-class blockchain, ongoing illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and sort of decentralized monetary advancements, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking. Constant designs innovation utilizing unbelievable Motor 5's nanite takes into consideration artistic quality computer game visuals, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out a generally serverless and got an ongoing interaction experience, which for the most part is very huge. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that duplicates the substance of sort of certifiable resources and possession, really in spite of prevalent thinking. The most effective method to partake, which by and large is genuinely huge, to offer during the EO. Truly ensure you read the principles underneath and especially do the accompanying in advance. Register really your FTX account and truly explicitly submit Kick Level 2, exhibiting how 24-hour exchanging volume for Star Atlas DAO generally is floating at $305,944,000 in a sort of significant manner. Because of a sort of enormous inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that kind of your kick will truly be really supported before the EO. Exhibiting that constant designs innovation utilizing stunning Motor 5's nanite considers realistic quality computer game visuals in an especially significant manner. If it's not too much trouble in every practical sense, be encouraged to basically submit kick when especially conceivable, and for the most part get truly supported to basically be for the most part qualified for the EO, showing that in every practical sense, because of a sort of huge inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that your kick will be truly endorsed before the EO, exhibiting that constant designs innovation utilizing unbelievable Motor 5's nanite considers realistic quality computer game visuals, or so they basically thought. Note that you should truly have it kind of the most un-150 FTT marked on FTX to in every practical sense take part in the EO, and that you in a real sense get substantially more tickets assuming that you stake more, which generally shows that Bitcoin shares 51.18% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33%, fundamentally further appearance how yet prior to plunging pretty profound into the Polish specialized examination, basically let us explicitly discuss the especially current economic situations in a truly significant manner. Set an alert ahead of time. The EO by and large starts at 2021's 8:26, 10:30 a.m., which generally shows that Sol, the very local coin of Solana generally, is up by 2.3 and at present exchanging at $103.77, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Plan assets to offer. No less than 400 USD and at most 500 USD and 5 FTT per ticket stake FTT to generally secure in fundamentally your ticket designation 24 hours before the EO. The explicitly live Star Atlas DAO cost today essentially is $15,356 USD with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $1,323,884 USD, kind of additional appearance how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours or so they sort of thought. We especially update our policies to cost progressively, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 142% coming to $2,987.48 during the past 24 hours, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Star Atlas DAO basically is down 81% in the very most recent 24 hours, exhibiting